Hello and welcome. You're watching Today in Parliament with me, Aishwarya, and these are the Parliament headlines. Private members' resolutions are listed in day's business in both houses. BJP MP Harnath Singh Yadav seeks a stringent population control policy. MDMK MP Vaiko to move a resolution to take urgent measures on interlinking of rivers. Lok Sabha to take up Indian Institutes of Information Technology Law Amendment Bill 2020, Banking Regulation Amendment Bill and Major Port Authorities Bill also listed. Report of Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information and Technology to be presented in both houses. Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs Arjun Ram Meghwal to make a statement in Lok Sabha regarding government to business for next week. It is the day of private members' resolutions in the both houses of Parliament. In the upper house, 5 private members' resolutions are listed in the day's agenda today. To address the unemployment crisis among educated youth, the CPI MP Binoy Biswam will move a resolution seeking to constitute a joint parliamentary committee to develop an Employment Guarantee Act. BJP MP Harnath Singh Yadav will move a resolution to formulate a stringent population control policy to check population growth. Congress MP Pratap Singh Bajwa will move a resolution to improve the warehousing facilities and ensure ease of doing business for farmers at the local mandis. BJP MP Rakesh Sinha will move a resolution to bring an amendment to drop the word socialism from the preamble to ensure that the preamble reflects the sentiment and collective will of the Constituent Assembly. MDMK MP Vaiko will move a resolution to take urgent measures on the interlinking of rivers in our country and also allot sufficient funds phase-wise for the execution of various projects for the interlinking of rivers. And in the Lok Sabha today, the Central Sanskrit Universities Bill 2019 is listed for consideration of Rajya Sabha amendments. The bill was passed by Lok Sabha on 12th of December last year and was transmitted to Rajya Sabha for its concurrence. Rajya Sabha passed the bill with amendments at its sitting held on 16th of March this year and then returned it to Lok Sabha on 17th of March. And among other bills, the Indian Institutes of Information Technology Law Amendment Bill is listed for consideration in passing. Also listed for consideration in passing are the Major Port Authorities Bill 2020 and also the Banking Regulation Amendment Bill 2020. And 4 private members' resolutions are also listed in today's agenda in the second half. These include construction of canals through Ken Betwa River, taking the river linking project in the Bundelkhand region. Suitable legislation for substituting the nomenclature of the tribe Dhangad by Dhangar. Welfare measures for the Anganwadi workers and Anganwadi helpers and also measures for utilization of water resources. Kriti Mishra is now joining us live from Parliament. Kriti, it's Friday. It is the day of private members' business in both houses of Parliament. And in the upper house, there are 5 private member resolutions. In the lower house, there are 4 very important private members' resolutions. Apart from that, in both houses, there are key bills listed. Major among them, of course, being the Banking Regulation Amendment Bill and the Major Port Authorities Bill. What more can you tell us? How is the day likely to pan out in both houses today?
Well, Aishwarya, we've been witnessing extremely productive sessions in both houses of Parliament, and also yesterday we saw a meaningful discussion on the working of Ministry of MSME in the Rajya Sabha. And as you said, that Friday is the day for transaction of private members' business. So several resolutions are listed to be taken up in the upper house today. So Member Vaiko will bring a resolution to ensure that the interlinking of rivers project is expedited in the country. Member Binoy Biswam will bring a private member resolution for creating more employment opportunities in the country. Member Rakesh Sinha will bring a private member resolution and he will urge that the word socialism is removed from the preamble and ensure that the original constitution that was envisaged by Dr. Ambedkar, that is implemented. There are other important resolutions, like Member Harnath Singh Yadav will make a resolution to contain the burgeoning population in the country. So these are the important resolutions that are listed to be taken up in the upper house today. And talking about Lok Sabha, of course, several important resolutions would be taken up there as well. So a day, Friday, as we said, is the day for transaction of private members' business. Over to you, Aishwarya.
All right, Kriti. Thank you so much for all those updates there. And in other legislative business in Rajya Sabha today, several ministers will lay papers pertaining to their ministries. Hardeep Singh Puri will lay papers on the table for the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Mansukh Lal Mandavia will lay papers on the table of Rajya Sabha for the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Danve Rao Sahab Dada Rao will lay papers for the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Parshottam Rupala for the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. Angarish Suresh for the Ministry of Railways. Kailash Chaudhary for the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. And also reports of the department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers, Information Technology will be tabled in the upper house. Also, Union Minister Angarish Suresh will make a statement regarding the status of implementation of recommendations in department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Railways on demands for grants for 2019-2020. Arjun Ram Meghwal will make a statement regarding government business for the week commencing 23rd of March. And several ministers will lay papers pertaining to their ministries in the Lok Sabha as well. Let's take a look at them. Smriti Zubin Irani will lay papers for the Ministry of Textiles. Prakash Javadekar will lay papers for the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Ashwini Kumar Chaubey will lay papers on the table of the House for the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Babul Supriyo will lay papers on the table of Lok Sabha for the Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change. And Secretary General will also report two messages from Rajya Sabha regarding the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Bill 2020 and the National Commission for Homeopathy Bill 2020. Members Shyam Singh Yadav and Chaudhry Mehboob Ali Kaisar are listed to present the reports of the committee on papers laid on the table. Member Shashi Tharoor and Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore will present reports of Standing Committee on Information Technology. Kanimori will lay report of Standing Committee on Chemicals and Fertilizers. And Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs Arjun Ram Meghwal will make a statement regarding government business during the week commencing Monday. And with that, we wrap up this edition of Today in Parliament. Do stay tuned. The proceedings of the Upper House are going to commence at 11 a.m. Thanks so much for your time.